I'm good. I love the haircut.
Thank you. I know. I feel like I've taken like years off. I like carrying this dead weight, so I was like, gotta go. Feel fresh.
So you finally got redeemed after 2 seasons of waiting. So what are the Canaries up to now? Are they gonna have any team ups finally since they're now on the same side?
Oh, I'm sure. I have no doubt. I think that, but I think this season is going to be a tribute to all of the seasons of the show. So I definitely think we'll have a little bit of everything. I also think we're going to see Laurel, sort of align herself with Oliver in terms of while he fulfills his quest to save the multiverse. I also have a new costume.
Yes.
I don't know if you've seen it.
I've seen it. It looks so
really
good.
So that's awesome. And they're letting me keep my hair short, which I also do love because it's fresh, right? It keeps things fresh. And I'm directing 803.
Yay!
Which I wanted to do for a very long time, so I'm really excited about that. And I actually went through the WB program over hiatus, director's program, and it's a 2-month program, and I learned so much. I've had James Bamford, who's been such a dear friend and mentor to me. He's like a brother. Shadowing him, he's kind of guided me, and he's brilliant when it comes to directing. We couldn't. The show would not be the show without James Bamford and obviously Stephen. But he's boots on the ground in Vancouver, James, because our writers and producers are in LA and we're shooting in Vancouver, so he's the one in Vancouver making all the stuff happen. Which is awesome. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Can you tease anything about your episode?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
But it covers. I feel like each season represents something of the show, and it covers a place and a time. That's all I can tell you. Yeah.
Do you want to see some Earth 2 characters from your characters' past if you're in the final season? Do you want to see some of Earth 2 characters from your character's past in the final season?
Like my character from Earth 2?
Right.
Oh, yeah. I mean, Black Siren, Black Siren's bad Black Siren.
Right.
Is so fun to play.
Right.
But also, Laurel this season is basically like Laurel never died. She's lived. And I do get to keep, incorporate a little bit more of that sass and that, I don't mean to say bitchiness, but edginess. A little hard. She's a little harder than the straight and narrow Laurel.
Right.
So yeah, I definitely think there's a little bit mixed in there, and it would be cool to see like maybe a flashback episode or something where you see the Earth 2 Black Siren, where I can really just, kill him with my staff. It's fun.
At the end of season 7, we saw most of the older generation and the future storyline kind of take off and really pass the mantle to the new generation. But you did pop up for a brief moment in the future storyline.
Are you talking about the snow scene when I dropped in?
Yeah.
How cool was that?
That was
that
awesome.
Scene was awesome.
Yeah. Will you be interacting with the kids?
Certainly hope so. I think it's a possibility. I don't write the show or the show, so I would definitely love to be. I mean, Kat is wonderful. She's young. I'm not sure how old she is, but she is such a professional. I'm just so impressed with her as a person. She kicks ass. She wants to work. She's hungry for it. She's fun. She's excited, and so it like lifts the crew up. And I definitely think that there's a world in which that could happen. You should ask Mark Hockenheim. See what he says, and then let me know. Okay.
Well, given the fact that crossover is involving multiple Earths, I mean, how involved does Laurel get in that? Because she's from another Earth. Does she want? I mean, she must know that it's coming. So does she take a big centerpiece of that, or is it mostly Oliver who is on that journey?
Of saving
of saving the I mean, because
Multiverse.
yeah, because
So, I think I know what you're asking.
Yeah.
Yes, Laurel will end up sort of aligning herself and teaming up with Oliver to help him fulfill this quest to save the multiverse, for sure. And I do think fans are kind of wanting to see that, especially, by the way, with the new costume. Did you guys see it? It is dope.
do you have any input in it?
Yeah, my hair.
Okay, just that. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I was like, guys, can we just keep this? Because it's, again, fresh. So, yeah.
Other than the costume, is there anything in particular you're excited for fans to see in the final season from Julie?
Well, the costume.
Just the costume. Yeah.
I mean, not just the
Yeah.
costume. There's so many things, but for me, in particular, the costume. I hope to see. Honestly, I like training sequences. I like when they show the girls kicking ass, not just as superheroes, but I like because then sometimes it's our stunt doubles, and I like to actually do as much as I can. So I like doing like training stuff because you're geared down, and you're whether it be drills or boxing or I actually get to do that stuff, which is really cool.
You've been part of the show since the beginning, and you've been sort of good. Laurel's been such a role model. Both Laurels, in many ways, have been a role model to so many people, and you've had such a big journey. What is the biggest takeaway you will take, when you're wrapping in November? Besides the costume.
No, I mean, honestly, the costume is for the fans. I think that for me personally is learning. I shouldn't say learning because I think I was a pretty good person when I started this show, but having gratitude and appreciation. And David said it wonderfully on the panel. Just like you go and you shoot something for 8 years with these people who become your family, and knowing these people will stay with me, I hope, forever with or without the show. So walking away with family who I get to have for the rest forever is amazing. And then also the opportunity to direct, which is amazing. And hopefully, maybe they'll do, who knows, anything can happen, another spin-off. And
Birds of Prey.
I'm trying. I think that would be awesome. I pitched it. I think that they should. It is time for women.
Yes.
Come on, we got this. So that would be really cool. We'll see.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.